Hey, all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess, and thank you for coming to check out this video. So today's video, as you can see from the title, is about a new brand from SHEIN called GLOWMODE, and I am coming to show you guys this new sports bra along with several other items that they have. So if you want to check out more about this new activewear line from SHEIN, definitely keep on watching. Alright, you guys, make sure you do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, because the thumbs up really does help with this crazy YouTube algorithm. It super helps me out, so make sure you hit that thumbs up for me. Before we jump right in, definitely want to say a huge shout out to the subscriber of the day. Here's the subscriber of the day. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Yay! And if you want to be the subscriber of the day, make sure you leave a comment down in the comment box down below so I can definitely shout you out in the next video. Alright, you guys, so this is the first item that I want to show you guys. It is their new Crisscross bra. What I love about this bra, and I'm going to move up a little bit. What I love about this bra is that it does have the adjustable straps in the crisscross. Love that. So as long as you get the right size, this is a size medium. As long as you get the right size around here, you can always adjust the straps to the tightness that you need, and I absolutely love that. I love the way the bra feels very, very secure, and you feel like you are just tucked in and nothing is going anywhere. Me and hubby did just go ahead and get our subscription for Planet Fitness. We literally just got that today. I really just want to tone up. I don't want to lose weight, so don't comment below, you're skinny, you're this, whatever. I'm not doing it to lose weight. I am in my late 30s, and I do want to be here on this earth for a long time and be with my family and my kids. So I want to be healthier, and I want to start to tone up a little bit. Definitely don't want to lose weight. If anything, I want to gain weight. But I do want to tighten up. You know, gravity has taken some things and dropped some things and lowered some things, and I just want to get things back, you know, lifted up and tightened up. Sorry, you guys, had to take a quick break. The family just came in from all their after school activities. So I'm not sure where I left off, but I think I was talking about how me and my husband just signed up for Planet Fitness today. And so these clothes just came at perfect timing. I'm so glad to have these pieces, and especially this top, this bra is really great. It does have padding right in the chest area, and what I love about the padding is that it's not just like those circle cup pads. It literally is padded all the way from the side all the way to the front, and even in the center is padded. I just love that you can't see through it. You know, it's very smooth, and you know, it's also very, very comfortable, and it feels like it's not going anywhere. I love the design, and I love the color, and I love that these shorts do match the bra almost perfectly, and they are sold separately, so I wasn't sure if they would match this great, but they actually do match very, very well. These pockets on the side, so I feel like if you're at the gym, you can definitely, and I was looking to, you can fit your phone in here, and you definitely can, and there's almost even a little more space, so I feel like you could fit like your AirPods case or something like that. So this is my smaller phone. This is an iPhone S, I believe, and then this is the larger iPhone. This is the iPhone this is the Pro Max, Genevieve?
13 Pro Max.
This is the 13 Pro Max, so this is the largest phone that they have on iPhone, and that fits as well with some space to spare. So I really like the fact that these have pockets. They fit really comfortably, and they're not so short that they'll be riding up. They're like that perfect length that they'll stay in place, but you still feel very you know, tucked in and comfortable. I love this upper panel right here. This upper panel is double fabric, so you have even more coverage, and then you also have the ribbing here at the top. The ribbing is not at the bottom, but it is here at the top, and I feel like that's nice because it gives you a little extra, you know, control tummy area. So for this first set, and I'm looking in the mirror right here, so for this first set, I definitely like how it's fitting. I like how it looks. I typically don't wear purple ever, but I actually am glad that I got purple. I wanted to steer clear of black, so I definitely like that I got the purple. And yeah, so for this first outfit, this is definitely a thumbs up. I like this one. Let's move on to the next one. All right, you guys, so this is the next set, and actually these are the same shorts. This is just the top that goes with this one. The other top just so happened to match, but this is the one that actually goes with it. Now, I definitely like this top. I feel like I probably should have gotten a slightly smaller size because I feel like it's kind of gapping right here, and it just feels generally a little loose. I'm not sure the size that I got, but I will check it and I'll put it on the screen. This is what it looks like in the back. So like I said, it just feels like it's a little tad bit loose here and could be just a little slight bit tighter. Now, honestly, around the band, it feels very good and comfortable, but if I lift up, actually, yeah, it's staying in place if I lift up. So I think I'm cool with, you know, wearing it, but I do feel like I may have to adjust it a little bit. Now, I will say that the other bra felt so much more secure and sturdy. This one feels more like it's clothing as opposed to performance wear in terms of the top. The shorts obviously still feel great, but I definitely would veer towards the Crisscross sports bra in terms of security, and I might even wear them together, right? Like, this could just complete the outfit if I don't want to walk outside in a sports bra. I would definitely throw this top on over top if I just didn't want to feel like I was doing too much walking around in a sports bra. But in terms of performance, I would feel like I would veer towards that one. In terms of fashion or just walking around and feeling more comfortable, I would absolutely veer to this one. So I would say get them both. So before I move on to the next outfit, I did want to go ahead and show the packaging. I think the packaging on this brand is just so cute and so smart. It feels you know, like very nice packaging. It comes in this nice like matte frosted type of bag. This yellow shade is very exciting. It feels like, yes, I'm about to go work out. Actually, like, the back of this one is really nice. It feels very secure. I like the little logo on the back, and I like the dots on the back. I like that the neck comes nice and all the way up high. And I like this. I like the white lines and the outlines. I like that it looks almost like maybe it's not two pieces, almost like maybe it's a one piece. But I like that it's two pieces, because then when you go to the bathroom, you'll have to take it all the way down. I like that this can zip up and it can zip down. And I like that this has the padding. It has the padding in here. It is those circle pads. But the great thing about this top is that it does have that extra layer of security, which I definitely love. This top feels very, very secure, and it feels like it is a high performance top that is made to perform. And these pants, these shorts, feel the same way. They feel like they are compression material. It feels like it's a good quality material that will bounce back through the wash. I can't say that there's any downsides to this one. I love it. I love this. So let's try the next one. All right, you guys, so this is the next one. Now, starting off, I have to say I absolutely love the color of these leggings. Let me step back so you can see all the way down. The leggings stop like just above my ankles. Of course, I would prefer my leggings to come down a little bit longer, but I have very, very long legs, so for things to come all the way down often doesn't happen. I love this crisscross situation at the front. I will wear these, you know, run to Target with a t-shirt or a hoodie or something like that. Would definitely rock these with just, you know, my sneakers, picking up the kids, dropping them off, taking them to practice. So comfortable, so soft. I keep touching them because they are just so soft and comfortable. I could spend all day, all night in these. These are just so comfortable and soft. So love that for me, because I will definitely be rocking these. And these had a top to match. I don't know what happened with the top. I thought I added that to I keep touching these are so soft. So yeah, I'm gonna double back and get the top. The top was one of those tops that had the finger holes. I love tops with thumb holes, and when I saw it, I just had to have it. So I don't know if it sold out or something. That's why it wasn't added to the order, but I'm definitely gonna double back and grab that, because this color is just screaming fall to me, and to have it as a set, I will definitely be running around and doing errands in this outfit. Obviously, same bra as before. This is the black one. Love the black one because unlike the purple one, the black one matches everything. It looks great with this. I could put it with anything in my wardrobe currently to wear to the gym. Very much performance. Like, soon as I put it on, I was just like, it just sucks you in, and it feels so good. It just feels, I don't know, it just feels like it's ready for the task, like it's up for the job. So I didn't realize that they sent me the black ones, same exact as the mauve ones, but these two go together. Obviously, I didn't realize that they had sent me the same pants in black. Love them in black. Amazing. Again, so soft. They just feel great. Okay, oddly enough, I thought I had more, but this was the last piece. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Glow Mode, for sending these over. Again, this is the new activewear collection from SHEIN. You can definitely check them out on social media. I'll leave all the links down below, and the hashtags that you can search through on Instagram and YouTube. If you guys have questions or I missed anything, be sure to leave a comment down below. And if you would like to be the subscriber of a day, do not forget to comment so that I can highlight you in the next video. I want to definitely do that. And what else? Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I have so much good content coming, and I don't want you guys to miss out on what I have in store for you guys. So hit that subscribe and turn on your notifications, all right? And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to share this video. Share this video with a friend. Share it with an activewear lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.